Namaskar दोस्तों and welcome to SM Smart Profile Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for 16th April 2026। दोस्तों हम एक एजुकेशनल चैनल है जिसपे हम एनालाइज करते हैं निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी को। हम यूज करते हैं मार्केट प्रोफाइल एंड ऑर्डर फ्लो चार्ट्स एंड यूजिंग बोथ मार्केट प्रोफाइल एंड ऑर्डर फ्लो चार्ट्स हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एरियाज ऑफ एग्जॉशन, अब्सॉर्प्शन, traps, buyers, sellers, and we identify the probability of a ट्रेडिंग एरिया। दोस्तों हम स्ट्रिक्टली एक एजुकेशनल चैनल है। वी डू नॉट गिव एनी टाइप ऑफ एडवाइस ऑन ट्रेडिंग और एनी ट्रिप्स। फॉलो अस ओनली स्ट्रिक्टली टू लर्न। आप हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जिसका लिंक हमने इस वीडियो के नीचे दिया है। अब हम देखते हैं कि आज का प्रोफाइल जो है वो कैसे ट्रेड करना चाहिए था। ये दिस वॉज द प्रोफाइल ऑफ द प्रीवियस डे। अगर हम इसको स्टडी करें तो आप देखेंगे कि ये एक लीन प्रोफाइल है। इसमें काफी सारे एरियाज हैं जो रिपेयर मांगते हैं। सेंटर में दीज आर वीक एरियाज, यहाँ पे पुअर हाई भी है। इफ वी सी द एरिया द market profile chart of 10th April, here also we are finding that there is a poor high. So let us break up today's session in three parts. एक हम स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस करेंगे 15 अप्रैल की यानी कि आज की। दूसरा हम इसमें और ये भी देखेंगे कि हमें इतना बड़ा गैप अप जो है कैसे ट्रेड करना चाहिए था। और हम फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग पॉसिबिलिटीज फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे यानी कि 16 अप्रैल की भी एनालाइज करेंगे। Now to start with, there was nearly a 400 points gap up, 400 पॉइंट का गैप अप था। previous day के हिसाब से previous day was 13th of April, and over here if you see on 15th we after a holiday we got a 400 point gap up। जब इतना बड़ा गैप अप आएगा तो what does it mean? It clearly shows कि इनिशिएटिव एक्टिविटी है। बट गैप अप का मतलब क्या है? गैप अप इज मीनिंगफुल ओनली इफ इट इज एक्सेप्टेड। अगर गैप अप एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं होगा तो इनिशिएटिव एक्टिविटी क्या और उसका मीनिंग क्या? हमारे को ओपनिंग कैसे मिली? लेट मी स्प्लिट दिस एंड शो यू। आई गॉट एन ओपनिंग आउट ऑफ द रेंज 400 पॉइंट्स अबव द प्रीवियस डे। हमारा निचला एरिया टेस्ट हुआ और उसके बाद मार्केट ऊपर गई। आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ एन ओपनिंग इज कॉल्ड एन open test drive. This is one of the second most strongest openings in the market profile. But क्या इस ओपनिंग की, इस ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव की हमें कंटिन्यूएशन मिली इस साइड पे या इस साइड पे? हमें नहीं मिली। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि there is no conviction from the higher time frame buyers. So what did we get at the end of the day? We got a classic balanced day after a large gap up. अब मैं इसको अनस्प्लिट कर देता हूं so that you can see that we got such a beautiful textbook classic balance day. Now, when there is a gap up, such a large gap up, and we have to see sustainability of the gap up, then this area, that is the open, this becomes a very important reference point. So the buyers defended this area, right? They defended this area, but having said that, where did they close? They closed here, right? Let me tell you, this is the closing. Now they closed it here, and where did we close? We closed below the volume point of control. So if we are closing below the volume point of control, that means the buyers could not control the value. However, there was a gap up which sustained, so that we can say that there is a partial gap up. Now, as I said earlier also, the profile of 10th April also gives us a poor high. That means this is unfinished business. That means the profile of yesterday, the previous day also has an unfinished business. Now, since we have opened 400 points above, this repair, this may not be immediate, but I can say that even if this is not a magnet, if this is not a magnet, this is an important reference point. So we'll keep it like that only. Uh, so a large gap up, as I said in the beginning, it means that there is bullish activity. But since there was no dry and there was an early failure, so what happened? The initiative activity shifted to a responsive activity. And where did we get the responsive activity? We got the responsive activity over here. The opening itself acted as a support. Now, on such days when there is a high gap up, as I have said earlier, the open is a very strong reference point. So, this is how you trade uh, when you get a large gap up which does not sustain, right? We will also take into consideration other gap ups and gap downs with different possibilities as and when the situation comes. Now, what is the key reference for tomorrow? The key reference for tomorrow is going to be the high of today, the low of today, and the volume PSE, the gap down below, right? And the poor highs above and below. So we'll have to have a look where the market opens to tomorrow. Let us, and one very important thing is that after a large gap up, when a balanced day occurs, the next day move can be directional. The probability is high. It's not that it's 100% going to be a directional move. No, but the probability of a directional move coming in is a little high. If we open inside the value area somewhere here, I think we'll again go for rotations. If we open above the value area in the range, I think we can look for some pullbacks. And if we open below the value area and there is acceptance below this value area, then I think then we should look for these gaps and these poor highs to be, and these unfinished businesses that we see to be repaired. Now, if I have to sum up in a few lines, I would say that 15th April was a large initiative gap up day. It was followed by a failure to continue the balance at higher prices and probability of a directional move on 16th, that is tomorrow. तो दोस्तों कल देखते हैं क्या होता है, हमें डायरेक्शनल मूव मिलता है कि नहीं, या फिर मार्केट फिर बैलेंस में रहती है. Market usually nowadays is reacting to the global scenario. अब global scenario में जो भी news आती है, market reacts accordingly. So maybe, if there's a negative news, things go down. If things are positive or there is no news, we may again go into balance. But this we will come to know tomorrow only when the market opens, and then when we combine the market flow and the order flow charts and look for probable areas of trading and also try to identify in which direction the market is going. So thank you, dosto, for a very patient hearing, and let's meet again with a different. I'll try to take up a different gap up scenario, maybe somewhere in the previous day over here. There was a huge gap up, 7th April to 8th April. There was again a very huge gap up. So how this day would have been traded, it's a little different from what we traded in this gap up, but we'll definitely take that up soon, and all other possibilities regarding gap ups and gap downs as and when they come. Trade carefully. See you all in the next video. Define your risks before you define your profits, and bye bye.